Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bricks in your garden. Bricks are incredibly versatile, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. You can use them to create crisp, clean edges around flower beds, preventing grass from encroaching. They're also excellent for constructing sturdy pathways that can withstand heavy foot traffic and various weather conditions. Furthermore, bricks are ideal for building raised garden beds, providing improved drainage and easier access for planting and harvesting. For effective garden edging, begin by digging a shallow trench, typically 2 to 3 inches deep, to accommodate your bricks. Lay each brick tightly against the next, ensuring they are level for a neat finish. When constructing pathways, a robust base is crucial. Prepare a foundation of 4 to 6 inches of compacted gravel, followed by a 1-inch layer of sand. After placing your bricks, sweep sand or polymeric sand into the joints to secure them firmly and deter weeds. Bricks are perfect for creating raised garden beds, which can be built at least 8 inches high to provide ample space for root development. For walls exceeding 2 courses, or about 16 inches, using mortar between bricks significantly enhances stability and longevity. When building small retaining walls, especially on slight inclines, remember to incorporate a gravel backfill and weep holes to manage water drainage effectively. Always stack bricks in an interlocking pattern for maximum strength. Beyond their structural uses, bricks offer many decorative possibilities. You can craft charming borders around trees, shrubs, or even small water features, adding visual interest to your landscape. Consider building a small, permanent fire pit using heat-resistant bricks for cozy outdoor evenings. Bricks also make excellent, stable bases for garden sculptures or bird baths, elevating their presence. Even broken bricks can be repurposed as permeable mulch, helping to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.